Hi, beautiful gardeners. Welcome back to Golden Years Gardening, where every season of life is perfect for growing something amazing. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn everyday trash, yes, things you probably have lying around your home, into jaw-dropping garden decor. Whether you're a beginner or you've been gardening for years, these ideas will inspire you to create unique, stunning outdoor spaces on a budget. Ready to make your garden say, "Wow, how did you do that?" In this video, we'll explore 20 mind-blowing DIY garden projects made from things like old clothes, broken toys, kitchen utensils, worn furniture, and other household treasures. These aren't your typical thrift finds. We're talking real trash-to-treasure transformations that will add charm, personality, and a whole lot of wow to your garden. You don't need fancy tools or expensive supplies, just a little creativity, some patience, and your loving hands. I'll guide you step by step, making everything easy to follow, especially for seniors and beginners. So grab your gloves, a cup of tea, and let's turn what you have into something spectacular. Idea 1. Patchwork hanging planters from old clothes. Picture colorful strips of fabric swaying gently above your garden, holding beautiful blooms and trailing vines. Start by collecting old clothes, jeans, shirts, scarves, whatever has patterns or colors you love. Cut these into strips about 2 inches wide and 18 to 24 inches long, or squares for patchwork. Sew or tie the strips into a hammock-style planter or basket shape. If sewing isn't your thing, simply knot strips tightly to form a sturdy net. Line the inside with a plastic bag or waterproof liner to hold soil. Fill with potting mix and plant flowers like petunias, pansies, or ivy. Hang your creation securely from a hook or tree branch using strong fabric strips or rope. Check the knots regularly to keep it safe from wind or rain. This soft, colorful planter brings warmth and memories into your garden, perfect for a cozy, welcoming space. Idea 2. Toy soldier or doll flower stakes. Imagine playful little figures standing guard over your garden flowers. Find broken or unused plastic toys like soldiers, dolls, or action figures. Paint them with acrylic paints, green for soldiers or bright colors for dolls. Let them dry. Glue each toy onto a wooden stake, broom handle, or sturdy stick. Let the glue dry completely. Push the stakes into your flower beds or pots. These quirky stakes add personality and fun to your garden, and are sure to make visitors smile. Idea 3. Kitchen utensil wind chime or garden sculpture. Create a gentle melody with old spoons, forks, and whisks. Collect mismatched metal utensils and clean them well. Drill small holes near the handles or edges. Ask for help if needed. String them with fishing line, wire, or strong thread. Attach the strings to a sturdy base like driftwood, a metal ring, or a branch. Hang the wind chime where it can catch the breeze and sunlight. For sculptures, fasten utensils creatively on a frame using wire or glue. Idea 4. Vintage picket fence succulent frame. Bring a living artwork to your garden wall using old pickets. Gather weathered wooden pickets sturdy enough for soil. Nail or screw them into a rectangular shallow frame. Line the frame with landscape fabric or a plastic liner with drainage holes. Fill it with well-draining succulent soil. Plant a variety of succulents. Thick leaves hold water well. Hang securely on a garden wall or fence with strong hooks. Succulents like echeveria and sedum will thrive here. This vertical garden adds texture and charm with little maintenance. Idea 5. Teapot fountain water feature. Enjoy the soothing sound of water flowing from a vintage teapot. Find an old teapot or kettle. Clean it thoroughly. Buy a small submersible pump designed for fountains. Drill a small hole near the spout to feed the tubing through. Place the pump inside the teapot and thread the tube out. Set the teapot on a shallow basin or stones to catch overflow. Plug in the pump and adjust the water flow for a gentle trickle. Surround with moss, pebbles, and fresh flowers to complete. This peaceful water feature invites calm and beauty into your garden. Idea 6. Old window frame hanging herb garden. Imagine a rustic window frame bringing life and fragrance to your garden wall. Find an old multi-pane window frame, clean it well and remove any broken glass safely. Attach small pots or mason jars filled with soil and your favorite herbs like basil, thyme, or mint. Secure the pots with wire or sturdy twine, threading it through the window frame's openings. Hang the frame on a sunny wall or fence using strong hooks or brackets. Water regularly and enjoy fresh herbs at your fingertips, all while adding a charming vintage touch. This vertical herb garden is perfect for small spaces and easy for seniors and beginners to maintain. Idea 7. Rake head vertical flower planters. Turn garden tools into eye-catching art. Take old metal rake heads and clean off dirt and rust. If needed, spray with rust-resistant paint in bright colors. Mount the rake heads vertically on a sturdy garden wall or fence using screws or heavy-duty hooks. Hang small pots or baskets from the rake tines, filling them with colorful flowers or trailing vines. This unexpected reuse of tools adds personality and function to your garden walls. Place in a spot with good sunlight and water plants as needed. Idea 8. Sofa arm planter seat. A bold, whimsical way to add seating and plants. Find an old sofa arm or small section from a worn couch. Remove any fabric or cushions, leaving a solid wooden or frame base. Hollow out the top carefully to create a planter space, sealing the inside with waterproof liner or plastic. Fill with potting soil and plant trailing flowers or greenery. Place on your porch or patio as a quirky planter that doubles as a conversation piece. Be sure it's sturdy and stable for safety. Idea 9. Bed stand vertical garden with shelves. Upcycle a forgotten bed stand or headboard into a vertical garden display. Clean and sand the wood, paint or distress for vintage charm if you like. Add small shelves or hooks along the frame for pots, vases, or hanging planters. Fill pots with flowers, herbs, or succulents and arrange creatively. Place against a garden wall or fence for a space-saving, layered garden feature. Water and care as usual, enjoying the charming and functional design. Idea 10. Toy car mini planters. Small, playful surprises scattered around your garden. Gather old toy cars or trucks, clean them and remove any broken parts. Cut out the roofs or make a hole in the body large enough for soil and small plants. Fill with soil and plant tiny succulents, moss, or small flowers. Place these mini planters along garden paths, shelves, or tables. They add whimsy and a nostalgic touch, delighting visitors and family alike. Idea 11. Basket chandelier garden light. Imagine soft, warm light spilling down from a charming basket hanging above your garden nook. Take an old wicker or woven basket, clean and check for sturdy spots. Invert the basket and attach a cluster of solar-powered fairy lights inside. You can secure lights with small clips or lightweight wire. Use strong rope or chains to hang your basket from a pergola beam, tree branch, or porch ceiling. When night falls, the light filters softly through the weave, creating a cozy, magical atmosphere. This eco-friendly chandelier adds warmth without any wiring and is simple to assemble for all skill levels. Idea 12. Broken plate mosaic tabletop. Turn broken dishes into colorful garden art. Collect old china plates, even those with cracks or chips. Clean and dry thoroughly. On a garden table or wooden stool, spread outdoor adhesive or tile glue on the surface. Arrange plate pieces in a beautiful mosaic pattern. Think flowers, geometric shapes, or abstract designs. Press firmly and allow to dry. Fill gaps with outdoor grout to secure pieces. Seal with a waterproof sealant for durability. This vibrant tabletop becomes a lasting centerpiece, full of color and stories. Idea 13. Clothes hanger plant supports. Add fun shapes to your garden with simple wire hangers. Unwind old wire clothes hangers and bend them into hearts, stars, or spirals with pliers. Use these shapes as supports for climbing plants like peas, beans, or morning glories. Stick them gently into the soil near your plants. As vines grow, they'll weave through the shapes, creating living sculptures. This easy project uses household items and adds whimsy without taking up space. Idea 14. Colander hanging planters. Give your old kitchen colanders a fresh garden purpose. Choose metal colanders with holes, perfect for drainage. Clean thoroughly and spray with outdoor-safe paint if you want a pop of color. Fill with potting soil and plant herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. Attach sturdy chains or ropes through the colander handles. Hang in sunny spots on your porch, balcony, or garden. The holes drain water well, keeping roots healthy and plants happy. Idea 15. Painted shoe planters. Imagine worn shoes transformed into colorful little gardens. Find old shoes or boots, leather, canvas, or rubber work well. Clean and dry them. Paint them with outdoor acrylic paints, stripes, dots, or floral designs, to brighten and protect. Fill the toe or shoe body with soil and plant small flowers or succulents. Place along your garden path, steps, or windowsills for unexpected bursts of color and character. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, if you have watched till this stage. Idea 16, Ladder Shelf Garden Display. Picture an old wooden ladder standing tall, proudly showcasing your favorite plants. Find a sturdy wooden ladder, clean it and sand rough spots. Paint it if you wish, or leave natural for rustic charm. Place it securely in your garden or porch corner. Use the rungs as shelves to hold pots of flowers, herbs, or succulents. Arrange plants by size or color for an eye-catching vertical display. This space-saving design is easy to build and perfect for gardeners of all levels. Idea 17, Teacup Bird Feeders. Delight birds and add vintage charm with teacup feeders. Find old teacups and matching saucers. Drill a small hole in the saucer center and 2 small holes on teacup sides for hanging. Attach teacup to saucer with waterproof glue. Use string or wire to hang from tree branches or porch beams. Fill with birdseed and watch your feathered friends visit. These delicate feeders add beauty and life to any garden. Idea 18, Broken Chair Trellis. Imagine a weathered chair back repurposed as a climbing frame for your vines. Find an old chair with an interesting backrest. Remove the seat and legs if desired. Secure the backrest vertically in your garden, using stakes or brackets. Train climbing plants like morning glories or clematis to grow up and around it. Paint or decorate the trellis to match your garden style. It's a unique, charming way to support plants and reuse furniture. Idea 19, Recycled Bottle Herb Markers. Keep your herbs organized with colorful bottle markers. Clean plastic or glass bottles and cut into strips or shapes. Paint them with bright colors or plant names using waterproof markers. Attach a wooden stick or skewer to the back. Place markers in herb pots or garden beds to identify plants easily. These markers are simple, affordable, and add a splash of fun. Idea 20, Kettle Watering Can Planter. Turn an old metal kettle into a charming watering can or planter. Find a vintage or worn kettle. Clean it well. Drill drainage holes if you want to use it as a planter. Paint with garden-themed designs or leave rustic. Fill with flowers or herbs, or use as a quirky watering can. Place it on your porch or garden table for a functional and decorative touch. Thank you so much for joining me today on this exciting journey of turning everyday trash into stunning garden treasures. Whether you tried a few of these ideas or got inspired to create your own, remember, gardening is all about joy, creativity, and making the most of what you have. These projects prove that with a little imagination, patience, and love, even forgotten household items can bloom into beautiful, functional decor that brings life and personality to your outdoor space. If you give any of these a try, I'd love to see your photos and hear your stories. Please drop a comment below or tag me on social media. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative gardening ideas every week. Until next time, happy planting, happy crafting, and may your garden always be your happy place.